All right, I'm going to show you how to make old-fashioned oats. Basically, it's 2 to 1. 2 cups of water to 1 cup of oats. You got to fill this with water first. Bring her over here. Perfect measurement. Inside of this, I have the measuring. So I just got to fill it up to this one little spot right there. Put it on cold. Whoops. Screwed up. Bam, that's all we need right there. That's all we need. All right, you see it? Okay, good. Now we're gonna take her over here and put her on the stove, and we have to wait for this to boil. All right, once it boils, then we put our oats in and we measure them all right, we got 2 cups of water. We're gonna put 1 cup of oats in there. Bam, done. All right, let's set our kitchen timer. It's gonna take 10 minutes to cook. All right, so I got it on 10, but we don't start it until this starts boiling, okay? Let's open up our oats. These are organic, and yeah, we got them at, I don't know where we got these. We got them somewhere, but they're organic. Oh, we got them at Walmart. All right, so we just gotta wait for that to boil. In the meantime, I'm gonna fill this up. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of oats. That's all we have to do. So it's such an easy recipe. Bam, done. Now that's ready to go in there as soon as it starts boiling. And then once that happens, then we go right to low. All right, getting there. All right, check it out, it's boiling. Now all we gotta do is dump these bad boys in. And immediately you wanna do some stirring, okay? And then as soon as you do that, you gotta come here, put it to low. And you're gonna have to keep stirring it because your thing is hot. You follow me? So just keep stirring. Let her stir. Because what's going to happen is it'll boil over. So you may have to lift it. And let that burner cool a little bit. And then you want to get up here and start your timer. Bam. And now we got 10 minutes worth of boiling. And then it should be ready. So we got 9 minutes, 52 seconds. So we're gonna come back. I'm gonna just be stirring this. I'm not gonna make you watch me do this for 10 minutes. So anyway. All right, it's been 10 minutes. The timer's going off. And bam, Bob is your uncle. We are ready to make some oatmeal. I'm gonna put it in these bowls here. We're gonna throw a couple of walnuts on top of it. Maybe some maple syrup. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so here we go. Dumping her in. There's one. Got to get it all out of there because don't want to waste not, want not, right? Bam, done. Good. All right, let's take a look at our creation. Right now, all we have is 2 bowls of oatmeal. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of milk, which is almond milk, and then we're going to add some cinnamon, and I'm gonna put some walnuts on mine, maybe some walnuts on his, and then we're gonna put a little bit of maple syrup on top. All right, we're gonna start with some walnuts. We got all kinds of nuts. I'm just gonna drop them in there, like that. Another bunch of them. Bam, done. Now we got our walnuts. Now we're going to get some almond milk. And we got chocolate and we got regular. We're going to use regular. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. Because we're going vegan on this bad boy. All right, we're going to put some milk in there. You got to have milk in it. Oh, that's looking good, right? Okay, let's set that there. Now we've got to get some maple syrup. Open her up. Let's do it this way so you guys can see the name of it. Good. Maple syrup, right? Bam, so far so good. Now we got to get some cinnamon because this helps with, I don't know, it just tastes good. Let's not overthink it. Simply organic. We're trying to go with as much as organic stuff as possible. You want to be careful with the cinnamon. You don't want to put too much in there. Bam, done. Perfect breakfast. Maple syrup, silicon, organic, cinnamon, and oatmeal. And we're ready to go. We just need 2 spoons. Let's grab them. All right, we're going to take it over to our expert and see what he thinks. Here comes the first bowl. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm going to set it down because I don't want... All right, take a bite. Tell me what you think.
I'm not going to lie. If it's horrible, I'm going to tell you that.
Everybody knows the rules. 1 bite. What do you think?
Delicious.
Yeah. Bam! Bob's your uncle.